In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Outlook using Zapier, the Notion AI connector, and other tools. Let's start with a simple, reliable approach using Zapier. First, sign in to Zapier or create a free account. You'll create a new automation, which Zapier calls a zap. For the trigger, choose Microsoft Outlook, then pick the event that makes sense for your workflow, like new email or new calendar event. This tells Zapier exactly when to run. Connect your Outlook account and approve the permissions so Zapier can read the data tied to that trigger. Next, set the action to Notion and choose Create Database Item. Connect your Notion account and grant the requested access. It helps to have a Notion database ready with properties that match the data you want to capture, like subject, sender, date, or a notes field. In the mapping step, link the Outlook fields to the corresponding Notion properties. For example, map the email subject to the title property, the sender to a text field, and the date to a date property. Run a test to make sure data lands in the right place. If everything looks good, turn the zap on, and your automation will run in the background. If your organization has a Notion Enterprise plan with administrator access, you can use the official Notion AI connector for Outlook. Open Notion Settings, go to Notion AI, and click the plus sign next to Outlook. Follow the on-screen onboarding to connect your accounts. Approve the Microsoft permissions when prompted, and then click Done in Notion to finish the connection. This route offers a native experience, but it's limited to enterprise customers with the right permissions. There are other solid options if you prefer different tools. Integrately provides one-click automations similar to Zapier. For instance, you can set it so a new Microsoft Outlook event automatically creates a Notion database item. N8N is great if you want more control and customization. It's a workflow tool that lets you build tailored integrations between Outlook and Notion. And if your main goal is to get emails into Notion with minimal setup, TaskRobin specializes in forwarding from Outlook to Notion and is praised by users for its simplicity. Whichever path you choose, double-check permissions, test thoroughly, and keep your Notion database properties consistent. That way, your Outlook items flow cleanly into Notion, and you can trust your automation from day one.